Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex and we've got a big week ahead of us. So we do this every single Sunday pretty much. I just want to get you prepared for this week. And the first thing I want to do to help you out this week is give you this earnings table so you can narrow down your focus and attention to the best stocks that are going to make you the most money. As you can see, we've got some big names here like Zoom, NVAX, LMND, C Limited, OKTA. And so this whole Wednesday is just cloud stocks that we're really focusing on. OKTA, Snow, and SPLK, right? In pink, though, you're going to have stocks or really companies that are well known, right? Like everyone knows what NIO is. Everyone knows what Ross Stores is, Costco, Turtle Beach, and so forth. So that being said, in purple is what you really want to focus on if you're an options trader going into this week. That's what we are on this channel. But pink, sometimes they present us good opportunities. It really just depends. But now that you have this earnings table, or I assume you've screenshotted it now, if you want this actually sent to your email every single week, go ahead and go to the link in the description, okay? Because I make these videos on Sunday, but I can actually send this to you on Friday or Saturday. So that's going to help you get a head start on the week. That being said, I want to share with you the most important thing about this week. So we all know what the large cap stocks are in the market. Well, what the biggest market leaders are, it's Amazon, it's Apple, right? And so check this out. This is what you need to understand going into this week. Your market leaders are shifting into bearish trend, which is obviously not a good sign for the market, right? So here's Amazon's uptrend. It's been broken through pretty hard, right? Now take a look at Apple. Their uptrend has got completely demolished here, right? So those are two of your market leaders that have completely shifted bearish currently, which once again is not a good sign for the market. And then you got Microsoft holding on by the last straw currently. You could see they're in this uptrend, but you got the 50-day average. They might easily break through here, and that's going to be a further signal that the market is indeed going lower. Now, if you haven't seen our market breakdown and where we believe the market's heading, I'll link that video for you in the description so you can watch our in-depth analysis on why we believe the market is indeed heading lower. But that being said, what I'm about to show you is the most important thing to understand, because once again, you have your market leaders who are exhausted and shifting in a bearish trend, which is obviously not a good sign. So who else do we look towards? Well, if you've seen, obviously we rely on other sectors like energy, like banks and so forth. But what else do we rely on? Well, we also rely on these smaller companies. Now, C Limited is still a large cap company. They have, 70 billion in market cap, so they are still large cap. But really, when we're comparing C Limited, for example, which reports on Tuesday, to Amazon, Amazon's 1.5 trillion, right? So it's not even really comparable, and that's why I actually view this stock as a mid cap, even though 70 billion is still considered large cap, right? Because we got that top level of Amazon, Microsoft, Apple. Then who do we have under that? You got like Netflix, Roku, C Limited, right? These guys, okay? And so look at this uptrend C Limited is in. It's been a very strong and consistent uptrend, but if C Limited, a company that's kept this strong uptrend, can break below its trend, it's going to be, once again, a further confirmation that this market is indeed heading lower. Take a look at another stock that's a great example of this confirmation we might be getting this week, OKTA. Take a look at this uptrend. Look how strong and consistent this has been. Now, if OKTA does indeed break lower out of its uptrend, it's another confirmation that this market is heading lower. So that's what's so important about this week, is focusing on these strong companies and seeing, will they maintain their strength, or are they actually going to break down? Because once again, this is like the second tier, right? First tier is Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. The second tier is going to be, OKTA, Netflix, C Limited, Roku, and these guys that are all in between 30 to, 500 billion or 30 to 700 billion. And so if these guys start breaking down, well, now you have tier 1 and tier 2 breaking in a bearish trend. Your market's fucked at that point. You see what I'm saying? And so that's what's so important. We want to see, will these mid-tier, will these second-tier companies start to break down? If these guys break down, this market is absolutely heading lower. So that's what's so important, and I hope that makes sense, okay? And so that's what a lot of people don't realize. Everyone just focuses on Apple and Amazon, which is tier 1. Nobody focuses on tier 2, which are these other very strong, companies. And if these strong companies are going to break lower, once again, it's just further confirmation that this market will indeed be heading lower. So hopefully that does make sense. That is the question of the week. Will tier 2 break down? And I guarantee you, 99% of you guys watching this video weren't thinking about the market in that way. So I hope that opens your eyes to how you should be viewing these things. I hope you start to, think outside the box, start thinking in these different ways instead of just passively observing the market and saying, oh, Amazon went down today. No, no, no. You got to look at the bigger picture. What else is happening? And when you can break things down like that, that's when you're going to start to get a really good understanding where the market could be heading. Okay? So guys, if you want to learn how to trade these stocks, if you want to trade alongside me and our trading group, actually, that link's going to be in the description. We're going to help our members make thousands. And I promise you, if you do join us this week, we'll make sure we set you up with the best trades, and we will make sure you come out with thousands in profit. So make sure you join us through the link in the description. I look forward to it, guys. We're going to make a lot of money, and I can't wait. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video and share it on Reddit or Facebook if you can. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Alex, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.